Yay! And the finishing touch. It's the last step, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much done. Just gotta put the car down and then
Put the
oil.
Yay! Make sure it's leaking and then put it
Make sure it's leaking.
Yeah.
So satisfying when my car's on the I really like how it looks. See my broken lip.
too low.
I love seeing my car being lifted. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be installing a Killer Bee oil baffle and oil pickup. So I guess for my understanding, it will hold more oil. It will give a better circulation of the oil to the engine. So yeah, should be an easy install, especially I have my buddy with me over here helping me out. Actually, he's gonna do all the work. I'm just watching. You guys can definitely do this on your garage, but it's just easier for me because first you can see that black thing right there. That's the one we're gonna change. And then first we're gonna drain the oil. Little unboxing. Yeah, so it's definitely more bigger, huh? But it's like pretty self-explanatory because I watched some of the videos. There's like just the bolts right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Size 1 and 2. I was just saying, I wonder how people do this on their garage, because this is like under the car, and you got to do a lot of stuff under the car. Still doable, but it's just uncomfortable and it takes a lot of time. Definitely gonna need the swivel tool for it, because like there's a bad angle for these ones that you can't do it with this just straight bit. What size is that bit again? All the bolts are off now, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. There's another one. That's a 10 too. You see that? I cannot definitely do this by myself because hella bad angle. Bad angle. You have to have like the swivel tool that like gets the bad angle. And then I guess we're gonna have to take this off too. So we have more clearance to take the oil. So this one is kind of hard to take off. That's why you're gonna need more clearance, because it has a sealant that stick with it. so it doesn't have a oil leak, right? So yeah, if you guys do this by yourself, good luck. So we got the oil container off, and then for you to take it off completely, you have to take you gotta take off this little thing right here that goes inside. Because you won't have any space. There's a nice back angle. Then that's the engine right there. Then the sealant. Now to clean up the sealant, after you take it off, you gotta put a new one. Alright, so you just cleaned up the sealant for the oil container, and then we're just gonna wait after the oil just dripped down, because if you put the sealant with the oil, with some oil on the side, you're gonna have a leak, because when the oil and then the sealant goes together, the sealant won't work. Killer Bee oil container has 2 drain plugs for some reason that I don't know, and it doesn't, from the box, it doesn't really include the other drain plug rather than the OEM that we have from the car. When you do this by yourself, you better make sure that you have an extra drain plug. So this is the one that I can use when I change the oil, right? Okay. I guess just the other one is just tighten it, right, and then don't open it at all, right? And actually, one more thing, this one is the one that you're gonna use from the OEM drain plug, and then this one, I guess I don't know why they have 2 drain plugs, and both of it is different thread, so you gotta find the one that fits on you. When you put this one for the OEM, it's not gonna fit. So you gotta find the one that's the right thread for it. I don't know, that's weird. Why do they have 2 drain plugs? Maybe if the other one breaks, you have the other one. So we tried to test fit it earlier for the oil container, for this one, the Killer Bee oil container. It's kind of like a bad angle again when you put it on, so that kind of makes sense that like when you have a Subaru meat, the modified Subaru meat has like oil all oil in the parking lot, because when you put sealant over here, and then you're not careful when you're lining it up, when you test fitting it, it makes like you'll have an oil leak when you have the sealant like shredding all over on the side and everything. Oil pickup, right?
Yeah.
So they have to provide spacers.
You can call it the oil pickup, or you can call it the oil sucker.
Oil sucker. Yeah. You suck it good. I guess you suck it better than the OEM, right? What? Oh my god. Wait, is that how bad I drive, bro?
I don't know. Yeah,
it's black, bro.
You driving aggressively. It's gonna turn
even
black.
if I don't even drive the car all day, I mean every day, right? Damn, it's black.
What kind of oil you use in it?
It's the one that I told you, Motul, yeah.
You use Motul.
Yeah. Damn, it's dark. What the hell am I doing?
when you driving like crazy, it dump more gas into the engine.
What the heck? Oh, it's dark. So I guess just to be safe, we're just gonna take off the oil filter, so the sealant won't go all over it, because this is like the bad angle when you put it on. So yeah, so we won't be like a meme on a Subaru parking lot. It's like there's a Subaru car meet like this. So this is where your oil filter is up, on, and then the oil cooler is over here. And then you just gotta take it off. You don't want to risk like an oil leak. So we put it on with the sealant. It's gonna be shredding.
And straight in. Right.
Now we can screw it up, screw it down, screw it up. Move this a little bit so we can put the oil pan straight in without hitting the other stuff. Oh, that's smart. Now we're gonna test fit it again.
Spin this way a little bit.
What else is hitting? Take off this one too. I guess we're gonna take this one off too, just to be safe. Yep, we're gonna take off the exhaust pipes. It'll be easier for us. So when you want to do this, you only want to do this one time, because if you're getting a leak, oil leak, then you're gonna have to do this all over again. Right? So, looking good.
Just wait for the oil, not treat it anymore.
Right.
Put it in. Put it in.
So this one is the Killer B, right? It's like the aftermarket, right?
Yeah.
So we just have to put on the thing and then put on the sealant.
The reason why they give you the new one,
Yeah.
because we're gonna fit straight in here.
Yeah.
And go all the way to the bottom of the oil pan to pick up the oil from the bottom.
Ah, so it picks up more.
Yeah, even you got like 2 bottles of the oil in it, it still works because you pick up the oil.
Let's see. So that means I have to put more oil too?
Yeah, because the capacity of this one is more bigger than the other one.
Yeah. So that's why this is what they call one of the supporting mods, because if you want to put like more power output, you have to have more oil circulating your engine, because if you have more power output, you burn more engine oil, right?
Not burning more engine oil, but the more oil, the more lubricate.
The more oil, the
more cooler engine your engine gonna run.
Sealant on the oil container. Now we gotta put on the sealant on the oil container.
Okay, when it's in, don't move it a lot.
Yeah. And start. I got it. Here. Holding it in, and you're gonna do a hand start on the bolts. Now that sealant stinks.
You keep holding.
It's good.
Keep holding.
Oh, okay. Just put back the headers. And then, yeah, we should be good. And the heat shields. Yay! And the finishing touch. It's the last step, right? Mm-hmm. Pretty much done. Just gotta put the car down and then
Put the
oil.
Yay! Make sure it's licking and then put it
Make sure it's licking.
Yeah.